Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. How to make woodworking furniture. Custom woodworking. Designing your dream. When it comes to designing your dream home, it's important to pay attention to the details. One of the most important details that can completely transform a home is custom woodworking. The addition of custom woodwork can add beauty, function, and uniqueness to a space that cannot be achieved with mass-produced pieces. In this blog, we'll explore the advantages of custom woodworking and how a professional woodworking company can work with a homeowner to create unique and personalized pieces that perfectly fit their aesthetic and functional needs. Advantages of custom woodworking. Unique design. One of the biggest advantages of custom woodworking is that it allows you to have a unique design that is tailored to your specific needs and tastes. With custom woodworking, you can create pieces that perfectly match the style and function of your home. This can include everything from custom cabinets to built-in shelving and unique furniture pieces. Quality craftsmanship. When you choose custom woodworking, you can be sure that you are getting high-quality craftsmanship. A professional woodworking company will take the time to create pieces that are not only beautiful but also functional and durable. This means that your custom pieces will last for years to come, even with regular use. Personalized service. Another advantage of custom woodworking is that it allows for personalized service. A professional woodworking company will work with you to create pieces that fit your specific needs and tastes. They will take the time to listen to your ideas and provide suggestions based on their expertise. This ensures that you end up with pieces that you love and that work perfectly in your home. Consultation. The first step in creating custom woodworking pieces is to schedule a consultation with a professional woodworking company. During this consultation, you will discuss your ideas and needs for your space. The woodworking company will provide suggestions and options based on their experience and expertise. Design. Once the consultation is complete, the woodworking company will begin the design process. They will create detailed plans for each piece, including measurements, materials, and finishes. These plans will be presented to you for approval before any work begins. Construction. After the designs are approved, the woodworking company will begin construction on your custom pieces. They will use high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship to create pieces that are not only beautiful but also functional and durable. Installation. Once the pieces are complete, the woodworking company will install them in your home. They will ensure that each piece fits perfectly and is securely installed. This will ensure that your custom pieces look great and function perfectly in your space. In conclusion, custom woodworking can transform a home by adding beauty, function, and uniqueness. By working with a professional woodworking company, you can create pieces that are tailored to your specific needs and tastes. The advantages of custom woodworking include unique design, quality craftsmanship, and personalized service. So, if you're looking to design your dream home, consider custom woodworking to add that special touch that will make your space truly unique and personalized.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.